Man is a wolf to man, I hear. How should they treat me? I belong with neither man nor the wolves. It was no bite or scratch that made me what I am. I was born with this curse, baptized into this life in the blood of my kill. Here I hide myself from the world outside, a prison, a paradise, an Arcadia, all my own. This is the beast's domain. Only here is he free to explore, free to indulge. All my sins are buried here. Almost all. In my dreams, I search blindly through the darkness. I hunt. But in my dreams, I hunt not for prey, but for a mate. For in my dreams, I am not alone. She prowls the dark fog of my mind. We are the same breed. We share the same torment. Anima and animus, my she-wolf and I. She arouses the beast within me. After the full moon is past, he continues to stir. He wishes to propagate his species, but this cannot be. My accursed bloodline must not be continued. Another creature, such as I, should not be brought into this world. If another like me exists, I will be in her dreams. She will be hunting. My nymph in wolf's clothing, I cannot keep you away, just as I cannot tame nature itself. Only one solution remains. I need to be neutered.